I am here to tell you that having good skin doesn't have anything to do with your skincare, doesn't have anything to do with your makeup. Rather, it has to do with what you ingest into your system. So this is the time for you to start smoothing and start juicing. And guys, I picked up something that I want to share with you guys. First warning, this video is no way a sponsored video, but if this is going to interest you, keep watching. Guys, if you are interested in knowing everything about this amazing smoothie and the blender, keep watching. Stay here. We're gonna have a little bit of chit chat, so let's get started. Sometimes, depending on what part of the world you live in, having a juicer is always a problem. But here is an alternative to juicing. Start smoothing, smooth. Stop throwing away your rotten fruit. If a banana is all gone black, don't throw it away. Smooth them. Mix them up with yogurt, with other fruits, and drink them. They will cleanse out your system and keep you going. So guys, okay, so I am going to unbox this Hamilton Beach, and then I'll tell you guys the price, how much I paid for this, because like I said, any time of the year, there's never a good time for juicing or smoothing. So I ordered this, and then because when I saw the price, I was so flabbergasted by the price of this. And you know what? It is 2-in-1. So it says 2-in-1. So it has the regular blender. Let me turn this to the English side. So the regular blender and the small, what does it say? Grate or grater. So let's see what is in here. Ooh. Wow. Yes. Amazing. You're gonna smooth and juice until you were tired. Yes, I know a lot of you guys have some blenders in your kitchen, but it's also recommended that you have a special blender for your juice, fruits, and vegetables, so that I recommend that you have a separate blender in the kitchen for your fruits and vegetables. Oh, this is a chopper. So it's 2-in-1. And where is the cover for this one? Let's see. Is there a cover? Yeah, okay. That scared me. So this is so amazing. You can chop. It's 2-in-1. This is really what got me to get this. Like I told you, I will share with you the price of this amazing blender, and I will leave you the link at the bottom of this video. Ooh, this is beautiful. You can chop up onions, you can chop up garlic, anything you like to chop. I love it. Juice is for me. And this is an amazing, this is the one. Yes. Do your smoothies. The smoothie. Yes. So guys, why am I sharing this with you guys? Fruit in my house or vegetables doesn't go in the trash. They go in this trash here. So I have some kiwi. I have some blueberries. I have half papaya that I have already cut up before and used. So at this time, I'm going to be washing all these things. I'm going to throw it into the blender. I'm going to wash the blender, of course, and blend these things and bring them into smoothies so that we can try this new blender. And I will share with you the price for this. I have all washed up my new blender. I'm like a kid in the candy store. Yeah, so you're gonna make some smoothies. I'm so excited. So the first thing I need here, I love me yogurt. Lactic acid is very, very good for your skin. However, if you are allergic to lactic acid, you can just blend up the smoothies like that or add a little bit of almond milk. So in here, I have kiwi, I have blueberry, I have papaya. There is no exact fruit. What I'm doing here is just to tell you that it's good for you to smooth most of the time. Don't worry about the fruits that I added here. You can add anything. This banana, I don't want to throw it away. I'm going to use half of this inside this, and then I'm going to use the other half on my skin. So I will just use a little bit of banana. Some of you will say, oh, it's still black, you gotta throw it out. No, just add it in there, especially in your smoothie or in your skincare. And I have a little bit of ice here, so I'm going to dump. I want to get more ice, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of more ice, and I'm gonna close this. And I'm so excited. Yes. And then, yeah, my socket is all the way on the wall. So guys, the smoothie is ready in the new blender. Woo. Can I open it? Oh my gosh. Woo. So, this is my smoothie. Start smoothing. Start smoothing today for your best amazing skin flawlessness. So guys, the price for this amazing blender and cutter is only $25. So I will leave you guys the link at the bottom of this video. First comment section, go ahead and pick up your own blender cutter so that you can start living and start enjoying your smoothies. So guys, thank you for your time. Remember to share. Let me know if you pick up your own blender, and I hope that Hamilton Beach will see this video. Yes, everything is not all about money. It's about me sharing my love and the things that keeps me going. So to try to help and inspire one or two people. So guys, let me leave you guys here. Thank you for your time. See you guys in my next video. Bye.